Oman, the Arabian Peninsula's emerging economic prospect. By Dr.Pooyan Ghamari, Swiss economist. Situated on the southeastern coast of the Arabian Peninsula, the Sultanate of Oman boasts a rich history of trade, culture, and strategic geopolitics. While oil and gas have traditionally dominated its economy, Oman's Vision 2040 outlines a diversified future, opening avenues for international businesses and investors. Let's dissect the Omani economic environment. Business landscape. Diversification Drive, Tanfeedh, Oman's national program for economic diversification, is set to reduce dependence on oil and gas by focusing on sectors like tourism, manufacturing, logistics, and fisheries. Strategic location. Overlooking critical maritime routes, Oman offers a gateway connecting the east and the west, backed by world-class ports like Duqm and Salalah. Special Economic Zones. The Duqm Special Economic Zone, SEZAD, and other free zones offer tax holidays, 100% foreign ownership, and custom exemptions. Financial services. Banking. The Central Bank of Oman, CBO, efficiently regulates the nation's banking sector, ensuring stability and adherence to international standards. Capital market. The Muscat Securities Market, MSM, provides a platform for equities and bond listings, fostering investment opportunities. Challenges and considerations. Economic dependency. Despite diversification efforts, the nation's finances are still linked to hydrocarbon revenues, making it susceptible to global oil price fluctuations. Local employment. The Omanization policy prioritizes employment for Omani nationals in various sectors, which businesses must consider during operations. Why choose Oman? Stability. Oman is known for its political stability in neutral foreign policy, making it a peaceful hub in a volatile region. Investor-friendly climate. Continuous reforms are being introduced to make Oman more business-friendly, including the Foreign Capital Investment Law, which provides more protection and incentives for foreign investors. Growing infrastructure. With a focus on modern infrastructure, Oman is enhancing its roads, ports, airports, and digital connectivity. Conclusion. Oman's strategic location, coupled with its ambitious economic diversification plans, presents a realm of opportunities for businesses and investors. While the oil sector has been the traditional pillar of the economy, the winds of change, driven by Vision 2040, indicate a bright, multifaceted economic future. For fruitful ventures in Oman, understanding local regulations, cultural nuances, and leveraging local partnerships is paramount.